I'm Gynnie Moody. I'm here to make my mom's pineapple upside down cake.
Ginny's mom, Della Bar Jackson, grew up in Western Georgia.
This was my mom's recipe, definitely, and she made them very often when I was growing up. She was the queen of cakes. Southern women in cakes is a special thing, so she always had a cake in the house, and this was a particularly easy one. She and my dad married right after World War II. This was a very popular 50s recipe.
Okay, it is pineapple upside down cake making time, and Gigi, what are we going to start with?
First we'll melt 1 stick of butter in the skillet, and then we will beat 3 egg whites.
Okay, let's get going.
All right.
While Gigi whips the egg whites, I add the brown sugar and the crushed pineapple to the melted butter. Then combine. Once the egg whites make stiff peaks, separate the meringue.
The lightness of the recipe comes from the beating of the egg whites.
That's a good meringue.
Using the original work bowl, beat the egg yolks with the white sugar and the pineapple juice until the mixture turns light yellow. Separately, sift or whisk the flour and baking powder together. Then add it to the egg yolk mixture. Fold in the meringue and then pour the batter into the skillet on top of the pineapple.
She never used a cake mix. And in fact, I think it was probably against her religion. All right, now it's time to put it in the oven. Keep your fingers crossed.
It's my favorite part, tasting time. So I'm gonna eat the cake.
She loved baking, and it was effortless for her. I never make it that I don't think of her. You know, it's touching to me.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.